With the hanging blocks, we are asked to determine what the free body diagram would look like for the forces on block Y. So if we had block Y, like so, and it were just block Y, forget about block Z, that can make things a little more complicated. But if we consider the simpler case like this, with block Y, well, there would be a tension upward and there would be a force of gravity downward, gravity pulling on block Y. But you can see there is also this additional tension from block Z, so there is an additional force, tension for Z. And since this thing, the net force is 0, it's not accelerating. To do this to scale, whatever Fg is and whatever T is, this other tension upward must be large enough to handle both of those, to balance both of those. So let's look at the choices we have available to us. This omits, the first one omits tension for block Z. This B looks like it's the right answer. These two looks like they would add up to that. So it looks like B. We check these others, and this is saying that the tension down, and if you look at the forces on this thing, it's not balanced. This says that there would be a net acceleration downward because there's a net force is not equal to 0. So choice C would be out. And we look at choice D. And again, we see the net force is not equal to 0. This thing would accelerate downward. The upward tension is not balancing the downward forces. So we're looking at choice B.